Welcome to today's journey into the fascinating world of nutrition and brain health, where we unlock the secrets of how a vegetarian diet can boost cognitive function and support mental clarity. Imagine a garden of nutrients right on your plate, designed to invigorate your brain and enhance your everyday cognitive performance. First, let's delve into the world of leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and packed with antioxidants. These superfoods are known for their ability to protect your brain from oxidative stress, a harmful process linked to aging and cognitive decline. Next, consider the power of omega-3 rich foods, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. These plant-based sources are excellent for promoting healthy brain function and improving memory and focus, as omega-3 fatty acids are critical components of neuron structure. Meanwhile, whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide a steady release of glucose, which your brain needs for energy. A stable blood sugar level is crucial for maintaining concentration and mental endurance throughout the day. Now let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are bursting with flavonoids, which have been shown to enhance communication between brain cells, improve cognitive processes, and even delay cognitive aging. These vibrant fruits don't just add color to your diet, they also help sharpen mental acuity. Don't forget legumes. Beans and lentils offer a treasure trove of nutrients like iron, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients support neurotransmitter function, vital for memory and learning. Finally, let's not overlook spices such as turmeric, which contains curcumin. This compound has anti-inflammatory properties and has been associated with improvements in memory and mood. Incorporating a rich variety of these plant-based foods can have profound benefits for cognitive health, promoting mental well-being at every stage of life. By choosing a vegetarian diet, you're not only nurturing your body, but feeding your brain, ensuring it stays sharp and agile. Embrace this path and let your mind thrive amidst the bounty of nature's finest offerings. Thank you for joining us, and remember to subscribe for more insights into a healthy, mind-boosting lifestyle.